Okay, good evening everybody. In this video, I will share my view and opinion on the Team India squad for the T20 World Cup. If you see the India's schedule in the World Cup, India has five matches, including two for the against the teams like Namibia, Bangladesh, whichever the Sri Lanka, whichever the team gets qualified for the Super 12 stage. India can be confident of qualifying to the semis because India has matches against Pakistan, Afghanistan, and if you get defeated by some team like New Zealand, it's okay because you can still confident of winning 4 out of 5 easily. So India don't bother about the semis, I can say. But this is a T20 format. It's a FICCI format. We can say any team can get, as the expert says, any team can beat any team on a given day. But I think it will not be a problem for the team India because because it has the right members for this World Cup. I'm highly satisfied with the members. Okay, let me come back to the team selections first. Mm, If you see the wicketkeeper sections, India has Rishabh Pant, I'm sorry, Ishan Kishan, and also the KL Rahul. That is more than enough for the wicket keeping section, and also it's the India selected India selected the openers, means three openers including Ishan Kishan. As we have seen in the recent news that Ishan Kishan said in a press media that Ishan Kishan was told to selected as an opener. So we can say India has three openers. Also, Virat Kohli have been opening for the RCB. So Virat Kohli is also known as an opener because it might create a confusion for the team in India because he said I guess in the England Test series he said that he wants to be a opener for the team India. Let's see who gets the chance to open for the team India. But in my view, KL Rahul and Rohit Sharma has to open for the team India and Virat Kohli has to bat at number 3 because we have seen number 3 Virat Kohli is something sensational, nothing short of sensational. We have seen in 2016 and 2014, also 2012 I guess. He batted like a god for the number 3 in Team India, especially in changes. So I don't think I doesn't want the team India to pickle his batting position, and also Rohit Sharma has to improve his numbers in the T20 World Cup, especially because we have in 2016 and 24. I'm sorry, 2016 only. He has some poor numbers against his name, and also KL Rahul going to the key member of this team India, especially at the top of the order because he plays a different role for the Punjab Kings and a different role for the team India. I would like to see how he approaches the game for the team India in this World Cup. Um, and also, Rohit Sharma has been really poor with his form actually. For the Mumbai Indians, he hardly got 300 runs in the 14-15 matches, in 14 matches in fact. So let's see who gets the open. Also, Ishan Kishan just before the conclusion of the league stage, he hit some massive sixes and scored some brilliant 80. Let's see who gets the open, and also I'm very much excited about the number 4 position for the Surya Kumar Yadav. He has to bat at number 3 or number 4 at least. He shouldn't bat below than that, and also number 5 number 6 are some decisions to be made by the team India management because we have selected Hardik Pandya as an all-rounder and Jadeja an all-rounder. Jadeja has been doing good with the batting. Bowling has been bit concerned because we have also we have also as an Akshar Patel as a replacement if he wants at any stage of the World Cup. But Hardik has been a concern. He hasn't bowled a single ball in the last 12 months or so. Team India has selected, board has selected Hardik Pandya purely as an all-rounder, which if he doesn't bowl in the World Cup, team gets imbalanced and it will suffer a loss at some crucial stage of the So crucial stage of the event. So let's see how we are hearing that he will get to bowl in the before start of the World Cup. And let's see, for me if he bowls the team India, he will be in a different, he will give an extraordinary balance, because we will get six bowling options, five specialist bowlers, and also he gives a massive batting batting also. That's his farm going to be crucial. And if you see the bowling options, before coming to spin options, bowling, India selected just three pacers for the World Cup, which surprises me, because in Dubai and Abu Dhabi, India has the matches. India don't have any match in Sharjah pitch. I guess in Dubai, especially in Abu Dhabi, pace is going to be key factors, because we are seeing in the matches with the large square boundaries, pacers are getting the wickets and getting the uh, keeping the runs low. So I want if I wanted one more pacer like Shardul Thakur should be added to the squad. He has been in the reserve, but I want him to be in the squad, and just to ensure that, because if Hardik Pandya doesn't bowl, it will get become tough for the team India, because we will get to select two options only. We will get to select Bumrah and Shami, and also if you select one more pacer, batting has been batting will get hit. So let's see how things will go. And also spin department, India went to overweight with the spin. I guess instead of some Varun Chakravarti, they should have added one more pacer, in my opinion. But let's see how ICC play prepares the pitches. And one more thing, I want to discuss that the team India should plan uh, for the semis, because we have seen getting defeated in the semis and finals. Getting to the semis is not a bother for the team India at this stage. And is there anything else I want to discuss? I have discussed the Team India strengths and its players, its squad. Yeah, coming to the matches, India has matches. India starts with the Pakistan's match again on Sunday. I guess it's on 25th of October. Yeah, maybe 25th, but next Sunday. Mm, and also, I guess groups are a bit biased. I guess because the India's group is bit easier to getting into the semis. But if you see the other group, teams like Australia, England, West Indies, South Africa competing in the same group. That's that's that favors the team India. And anything else? Yeah, semi-finals. If you see the potential semi-finalists, India might get to face England or West Indies. Uh, Australia has also a big chance, because their bowling has been tremendous. Mitchell Stark and Pat Cummins has been really good. Has been has been really good. Mm, I think bowling team the team with I'm sorry the team with greater bowling options, and the team with high bowling strength will do wonders at the World Cup. Not wonders, will go a stage ahead than the rest. So yeah, that's it from me. And anything else to discuss? Mm, yeah, one more pacer we have Bhuvaneshwar Kumar. I forgot his name. Bhuvneshwar Kumar, Jasprit Bumrah, and Shami are pace options for the Team India. Also, we are interested to see whether the BCCI selection committee will make some changes before deadline or not, because several reports are saying that Ashwin might get replaced by mm Ashwin might be replaced by Shardul Thakur, and Rahul Chahar might be replaced by Yajwendra Chahal, because Chahal has been poor. He even didn't get a players in his team in at the IPL level. He only played two matches in the IPL league for the Mumbai Indians. Yajwendra Chahal has been firing on all cylinders in this season, and he has been bowling economically as well, which is struggled in India's leg. So fingers crossed. Yeah, UG has been good, and Team India should select him on the current form rather than the farm that he shown that 6 months ago, probably 5 months ago. So, and again Shardul has been doing good for the CSK, getting the crucial wickets at the crucial stages, and their main bowler. I'm I I want him to be selected ahead of the Ashwin, because Ashwin has been mm, Ashwin has been lost his form. He did good in the 2020 leg of the IPL, but he hasn't been effective. He has been hit for the boundaries easily by the batsmen. So I don't think he will do some good in the UAE leg. Also, we have Akshar Patel and Jadeja. So one more finger spinner uh, will be risky, especially in the semi-finals against the teams like West Indies and England. They love finger spinners, especially more than the leg spinners. So so India shouldn't select more than one finger spinners in the team India. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, I think I covered everything. If anything else, do comment. I will reply to them, and hope you like my video and my view. Thanks.